I don't know about y'all, but I'm going up to the courthouse.
No, you're not.
That's fixing to be a tornado, Donna. Go, go! If you're gonna go, you better get your ass out of here.
Grandma always told us, watch out for storms like that.
That's a tornado right there. Get your ass to the... Hurry up! Go!
Don't be careful.
Be careful! No, don't. You said don't be careful. Be careful. Oh my God, look at that.
What the hell are we standing here like idiots for?
Because I'm videotaping it.
Shit, I should have gone and talked with him. He didn't even ask me to go.
Well, that's how much he cares about you. You just spent all this money on him. Look at that. Fuck. Look at it. Oh, scary. Hey, Juanita.
Weird.
That's a tornado forming. I bet you.
Holy shit, it is.
I told you.
God.
Juanita.
Hey.
Look at this.
You can see it over here. Leaking.
Ooh, I hope it goes away.
I hope you're wrong.
It was bigger than that. It's going away. It's going away.
You scared the fuck out of me like that.
Well, it was forming. And there's probably going to be another one. Girl, it was way big. And it's starting to go back up now.
Wow.
Look at how those clouds are just rolling.
Uh-huh.